In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an urgent email using Gmail. Whether you're trying to get a critical message across to a colleague or needing to ensure a timely response from a client, marking an email as urgent can make all the difference. Let's dive in and explore how you can effectively highlight an urgent email within Gmail. First up, you'll want to log into your Gmail account if you aren't already. Head over to gmail.com, enter your credentials, and land on your inbox. The goal here is to prepare for the urgent email you need to send. Once you're in, click on the Compose button in the left sidebar. This will open a new message window, which is your starting point to compose the email. Now that we're setting up the email, type the recipient's email in the To field. If there are multiple recipients needed for this urgent email, include them as well. After populating the To field, move on to the subject line. This is where it is crucial to grab attention. Write urgent or immediate attention right at the start of your subject line, followed by a brief description of the email content. Providing a clear direction helps the recipient recognize the urgency even before they've opened your email. Next, in the email body, be concise yet comprehensive. Explain why this email is marked as urgent, outlining any action required by the recipient. It's helpful to keep paragraphs short and straightforward. Bullet points can enhance clarity when listing out steps or actions, but avoid overwhelming amounts of text. If applicable, add any necessary attachments before moving on to the next steps. One recommendation for enhancing the visibility of this urgent message is to utilize Gmail's priority inbox or label options. While composing, navigate to the left sidebar, locate and click on Manage Labels, and either create a new label named Urgent or use an existing label that indicates urgency. Assign the label to your message. Doing this makes future searches and filtering easier for both you and the recipient. Now that everything is set, double-check that all essential points are covered and the email addresses are correct. If you're satisfied, proceed to hit the Send button at the bottom of the message window. Your urgent email is now on its way, ready to alert the recipient about the significance of your communication. As a final tip, if you're waiting for a response, it might be worthwhile following up with a secondary method, like a chat message or phone call, just to ensure they've received and acknowledged the email. Keep in mind that urgency is about balance. You want to ensure important emails stand out while respecting your recipient's time and response capabilities. Thank you for following along. By using these straightforward tips, marking an email as urgent in Gmail is both efficient and effective. Good luck and happy emailing.